Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanchopagama. Tonight on Imbewu, Sakile challenges Mzwandile about his relationship with Kanyo, and Sakile look forward to come face to face with Zetulele. And it seems like Sakile does not trust Mzwandile about dating Kanyo, but Mzwandile make it clear on his brother about her relationship with Kanyo. While Tushelin and Nomsa relaunch at Temsam does not go well. Nomsa determines to prove herself amidst spectacular speculations she only succeed due to using Motin. And Kulego tells Agit that her and Zetulele does not like him. Why they fired on the Maluchu energy. But it seems that like Zagiti, he tell the reason why he is fired. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.